Hi and welcome back to Lockpicker 69. In the files today I've got a padlock. It's a 75mm shutter padlock. It's a home protector brand which come from Aldi. It does work. It's got quite strong spring tension. And there's a bitting on the key. So nothing special. The keyway is upside down to what I'm used to picking, so who knows. Quite strong spring tension on the core. As you can probably tell, I'm not used to picking with the keyway upside down. There we go, open. Didn't feel any security pins. We'll lock it back up and see if we can rake it as well. Got the old triple P called Bogota. Yep, rakes with that one. Try a city rake. Fell open with that. We'll try a good old snake rake as well. Home protector, yeah. Right, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.